Greetings fishermen, another stunning day on the bay. Wow, it's cold in the mornings, good hard frost, so we get a crack a day out of it. So come along and have a look, we'll see if we can catch a fish or two, eh? Rightio fishermen, got another fish on. Jeez, they're on the go at the moment. That one only just made it to the bottom and bang. Every day's a good day to get fish. That little clone nymph, eh? It's only size 14. Got a couple wrapped around a G-series buzzer hook with synthetic peacock herl at the body and a little bit of orange tied into the head with a little wee float. Just enough to keep it up off the bottom. Deadly. Probably another jack. There you go, mongrel. Wow, another jack. 6 pounds this one, with a hook in the end of his jaw. Hey, a lovely fish, fully coloured up and ready to go. Bit twitchy, as I said, fully coloured up and ready to go. Put him back where he came from. Stunning. It's got all its fins. All the hallmarks of a wild fish.